Hey everyone, and welcome. We always hear that learning English is a huge advantage, right? But what does that actually mean for you, day to day? If you've ever thought about starting, but kind of felt stuck before you even began, then this is for you. We're going to demystify those first steps.
Okay, let's just jump right in with this big idea. Learning English opens many doors in life. It sounds amazing, sure, but it's also a little vague, isn't it? I mean, what are these doors and what's really on the other side? All right, so let's actually answer that. We're going to explore the real, concrete possibilities that open up for you, pretty much the moment you start learning. And these aren't just some abstract benefits. We're talking about real-life experiences.
First up, travel. Seriously, just imagine being able to ask for directions without fumbling with your phone. Or better yet, actually having a real conversation with a local cafe owner about their city. That's what English does. It turns you from just a tourist into a genuine traveler. You get to connect with a culture in a way a translation app just can't.
Next, let's talk about knowledge. So much of the world's most incredible research, the top university courses, and all those amazing online classes, they're in English. Learning the language isn't just about talking to people, it's like getting a key to a massive global library of ideas.
And you know, maybe the best part of all? English is a bridge. It lets you build real friendships with people from totally different backgrounds, sharing stories and seeing the world through their eyes. It really does make our big world feel a little smaller and a whole lot friendlier.
So, you've got all these amazing reasons. Travel, education, friendship. It's super motivating. So why doesn't everybody just dive in? Well, it's because of a really common, really human challenge that stops a lot of people right in their tracks. It's the beginner's biggest hurdle.
Yeah, it really all comes down to this one question. With all these incredible opportunities just waiting for you, what is it that actually holds so many of us back from just taking that first tiny step?
And the answer, honestly, is usually pretty simple. It's nervousness. You know that feeling, that anxiety in your chest, that fear of not being perfect or worrying about what other people might think? And listen, if you have ever felt that way, you are definitely not alone. But here's the good news. You can totally push past that feeling. You just need a simple toolkit. So we've broken it all down into 3 essential keys to get you started. This isn't about becoming fluent overnight. It's about building a really solid, confident foundation, just one step at a time.
So here they are, the 3 steps. First, listen to short stories in English. This isn't about studying grammar rules. It's about letting your brain just soak in the natural flow and sound of the language. Second, practice every single day. Consistency is so much more important than intensity. Just 15 minutes a day builds a way stronger habit than trying to cram for hours on a weekend. And finally, step 3, and this is the big one. Don't be afraid.
You know, that third point is so crucial that it really deserves its own moment. So let's get into our final section here and see how this all comes together. Embracing the learning journey. Because this is the real secret to success in the long run.
Because when we talk about being nervous, what are we really talking about? It's almost always one specific thing. It's the fear of making a mistake. And that fear, man, it can be paralyzing. It can stop you from even trying to speak in the first place.
The way you beat that fear is to completely change how you think about mistakes. You have to truly believe this. Mistakes are a part of learning. They aren't failures. They're proof that you're trying, that you're pushing yourself, that you're growing. Every single mistake is just a little signpost telling you where to focus next.
And all of this leads to the last, and maybe the most important piece of advice we have. Just never give up. Look, there are going to be tough days. There will be moments where you feel frustrated, but persistence is what makes all the difference. Just embrace the journey and keep moving forward.
So, to wrap this all up, I don't want to just leave you with information. I want to leave you with an action. A little challenge to take that very first, very simple step we talked about earlier. So my question to you is this: what's the first short story you're going to listen to? Go find one and start your journey today.
Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.